Okay, so now I'm going to unbox the ScanNCut. Packaging. Important information. Keep the original packaging, read the user manual, use good quality needles and thread. Yeah, sure, I'm going to use needles and thread in the ScanNCut. Obviously this is a general information thing. And my receipt, so we'll put that aside. Get some more paper out of here. And here we have the fabric mat. So I don't know what mats to use with what yet, but fabric mat obviously must be intended for fabric. We have a case to keep it all in, or at least the machine. Should make myself one. So yeah, nothing really exciting about the case. Pocket there, and zipper pocket on this side, which is quite roomy, which you probably can't see. But yeah, that'll keep the machine nice and clean. And what do we have here? I think it's a thank you gift from Echidna Sewing. A pen. A little ruler magnifying glass thingy. I think that might be a little cleaning cloth. Yep, little microfiber cleaning cloth. Thank you from ordering from Echidna Sewing. We're delighted to include a free gift to show our appreciation. Cool. A little tiny emery board. A pen. Well, you can't have too many pens. I've got a whole collection of them somewhere. Probably where my other socks are, and also my missing stitch rippers. Ah, and here's a little bag. A reusable shopping bag, or whatever you want to use it for. Cool. Folds up into a little pouch. Nifty little gifts. Thank you, Echidna. Here we have the auto blade, rotary auto blade. I bought a couple of spares to make sure I have some on hand. And here we have a vinyl bling starter pack. It came with the Echidna by buying it through Echidna on the online website. It's got Style Tech adhesive vinyl, gridded reusable app tape, Sizer Easy Weed heat transfer vinyl, Styles Effect specialty heat transfer vinyl. Oh, well, something else to play with. So now, the really good part. Let me get this box out of the box. We have one in ScanNCut. So this is the SDX1250 ScanNCut home electronic cutting machine with built-in scanner. Cuts up to 3mm in thickness, such as foam, felt, and also leather and vinyls and stuff, cork. Automatic blade adjustment system, standalone, up, so you don't need to run it through a computer or anything. You can do it all from within the system itself. Up to 600 DPI for scan to USB function. So yeah, got a lot of cool features. And the reason I'm going with buying a cutting machine is because I want to learn how to make the SVG files for my patents, so that everybody can have a free SVG file with my patents. A getting started guide. Yes, I will probably need to read that, although most times it's try and then if you fail then read the instructions. Let's get started. So it's got some very basic instructions in here. Machine setup, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and what's this one here? Included accessories. So there's gives you a list and a list of included accessories. Product safety guide. I'm sure we all read those. Most of it's in foreign languages, so really there's probably not much to read in there. You have to look for the Australian bit. Probably common sense information, but I'm guessing they have to include it nevertheless. So what have we got here? Oh, a power cord. Big box for a power cord. Now, how do we get this out of here? Oh, they just lift off there. That makes it easy. And here we have another mat. What have we got here? Must be just a standard mat. Yep, standard tack adhesive mat. And some other bits in there. I don't know what they are yet. And what have we got here? A low tack adhesive mat. So it comes with two standard mats. Two mats, a standard and a low tack. And the other one I showed you earlier was an extra that I bought, because I don't want to be running to the shop all the time, so I bought them at once. And what have we got here? Must be a knife. There's the side. Rotary auto blade kit. Aha. So this is the auto blade kit. That's probably going to be the most important thing. Canvas workspace. Yes, I'll have to check all that out. else have we got? Machine. Ooh. Yes, one machine. Ooh, doesn't that look pretty? Very nice. Well packaged, I'll say that. Don't know what this is. My connection. Canvas workspace. Okay, so I better put that aside. I might have to work out what that's for. Now we have our nice big screen. Isn't that nice? Ooh. More packaging in there. And the roller. So that's obviously where the cutting blades go. Take this. Oh, there we go. Look. Suppose it's got some instructions on there. I suppose I probably should have a closer look at that when I want to turn it on. This looks like a pen holder. A couple of little pens. Now it's good having those accessory trays, at least you've got somewhere to store all the bits. Yep, little pens. Don't know what I'll actually use those for, but a regular blade, a little spatula and a stylus in a little carry case. Cool. It's good having the places to put those storage little slots. I don't know what this is for or this here. I'll have to do some reading. So there we have it. The Brother ScanNCut. It's got a nice little padded thing there, which is I suppose like a foot. So when you open it up, it sits on that and not on the plastic. So that's good. Not quite sure how we put that down. Don't want to force anything here. Down there. Oh, there's some more sticky tape at the back to remove. No doubt that's where your mat comes in and out. And so the mat slide. Oh, a little tray. And there you go. Support for the mat, no doubt. Okay, that's it. Now it's time to turn it on and try it out.